In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from broken screen iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase what I believe is the easiest way to salvage all of your data from an iPhone that has a broken screen. Assuming that your screen is partially broken or even fully unusable, you will be able to follow the instructions on this video to recover all of your data. So this is going to be primarily done through iCloud. If you are 100% sure that you didn't have an iCloud backup set up beforehand, then sadly I don't know of any other method that could help you, but assuming that you know that you had an iCloud backup beforehand, or if you are unsure and you would like to check by following the instructions, then just follow along. So iCloud is automatically saving and syncing all of your data on the background while you use an iPhone, and you can access this data on a new device, so a new iPhone, a new Android phone, or you can do it through a PC or a laptop. All that you have to do is visit the iCloud website. So I'm going to teach you how to do this on a new iPhone first, and then how you can access the data on a PC or laptop or even an Android device. If you have a new iPhone ready to go, open the Settings app and sign in using your Apple account or Apple ID. Immediately upon signing into your Apple account or Apple ID, you will be able to tap on it on the top of the Settings app and choose the iCloud options from here. Now, all of your data will be synchronized automatically as you use the new iPhone. You will also be prompted to sign into your Apple account when you first set up a new device. As you can see, all of the data that is saved to iCloud will be available for you, including photos, passwords, messages, mail, notes, drive, and so on. And you can download all of this manually or just let the process finish automatically on the background. It is by far the most convenient option available. But of course, it is only going to work if you had previously set up iCloud backups before your iPhone broke down. If you want to do this through a PC or a laptop or another device, just go over to iCloud.com and sign in using your Apple account. Once again, after you verify that you are the owner of this Apple account, you can access all of your data easily. So, upon accessing all of your data, just download it onto the new device and you will be able to salvage your photos, videos, messages, documents, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from broken screen iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.